Hi, in this video, we'll demonstrate how to load photos of different data types in PhotoMesh. We'll cover 4 options: loading a dataset with both position and orientation information, loading a dataset with positioning only, loading a dataset with no positioning information,
and loading a dataset with calculated AT data.
First, let's load a dataset that has positioning and orientation information. Instead of manually entering photo orientation and internal camera parameters, a photo list file can be used. It can be an Excel, XML, or CSV file that references the photos and includes the full metadata. Photo list files can reference photos stored locally, on an HTTP or HTTPS server, or on Amazon S3. Aerotriangulation is the process used to determine the correct position and orientation of all project photos. When the photos don't have orientation, this step must be performed before generating the 3D mesh model. Next, let's look at how to load a dataset that contains positioning information only. The effective range property defines the maximum distance from the camera at which photo information is still considered valid for aerotriangulation.
Photos without orientation information that don't intersect the tile are still included in the build based on their positioning and effective range.
Let's load a dataset that has no positioning information. These photos are missing key metadata, such as focal length and GPS coordinates. Since the photos don't have defined positions, an AT area must be set manually. The Import Photos with Metadata option allows you to import photos that already have calculated aerotriangulation data and internal camera parameters from external sources.